Good morning, all of you. In this class, we will discuss about the comparator. That is one of the combinational circuit. This is what we can say that application of combinational circuit. As a comparator is a combinational circuit used to design to compare the two n-bit binary number. The word itself says that the comparator is to use to design to compare to n-bit binary numbers. So this is what the block diagram of n-bit comparator. This is a generalized block diagram for your n-bit comparator. In this case, if you see here properly, that as we will discuss the two n-bit binary numbers to compare the two n-bit binary numbers. So here the two n-bit binary numbers, suppose we can say that A and B. This is what input. This is the block where we can say that this is your n-bit comparator, that comparator block, and here we got the output as three outputs. So in this comparator we are having with the two inputs and three outputs basically. So here that two inputs A and B and the three outputs, that A is greater than B, A is less than B, and A is equals to B, and A is less than B. So these three outputs we are having the. So this is what the block diagram, and based on this block diagram, this functional table, this is what the function table, and that function table is having the as 1 bit. If we consider here that example, if we consider the example for this 1 bit comparator, so this function table is what 0 0 0 1 1 0 and 1 1. So in here we have to compare the two numbers as the output A is greater than, A is less equals to, and A is less than. So that if we compare these two numbers, that 0 0, so the number is same. So here the output goes logic 1 to this, and here it is 0, and here also 0. If the 0 and 1, so A and B, so B is greater than A, so here B is greater than A, so here the number is going to be 1, remaining 2 is going to 0. Remember one thing here, only one output going to logic 1 and remaining will be 0. This is only at 1, the only one output going to be logic 1. So here 1 0, A is greater than B, so here what, again 1, here the term 0 and 0, here 1 1, so for this 1 1 again it is what equals to here 1 0, and remaining two terms going to be 0. So in this way we have drawn the functional table for 1 bit comparator. Okay, this is for 1 bit comparator. Next, by using this 1 bit comparator function table, we have to just write down the equation for the different column, that is A is greater than, A is equals to, and A is less than. So if we talk about the A is greater than B, that function for A is greater than B, basically this is, we have to write by using K-map, but here no need to draw the K-map, directly we can write down the equation for this. So A is greater than B. If we talk about the A is greater than B, so in this particular column in which it is going to be 1, here the logic 1 for 1 0, here logic 1 for 1 0, so it is 1 0 for this logic 1, so here the term as a SOP A and B bar. So here the equation is what, A B bar. Okay, now the function for A is equals to B, A is equals to B, here A is equals to B, so if we talk about the A is equals to B 1 and 1, so 0 0, here the term 0 0, and here 1 1. So for both the cases we are having with the logic 1 here, here and here. Okay, as our A is greater than also, so 0 here 1 1, so here A bar B bar, and so the term we are having with A bar B bar plus, for this it is what, A bar B bar, and for this it is AB. Okay, next, as The third one, A is greater than or A is less than, sorry, A is less than B. So in this case, A is less than B. Here only again that one for 0 and 1. So 0 and 1 means A0 means A bar and B. A bar B. So for this, you will have to draw the logic or the combinational circuit for this. If you draw the combinational circuit for 1 bit comparator, combinational circuit for 1 bit comparator. Okay, so here the combinational circuit for 1 bit comparator, first of all we have to just draw the two lines. If you talk about this equation, that A is A B bar B bar plus AB and A bar B. First of all, if you talk about this equation, so here A bar B bar plus AB, can we modify this equation? Yes. So here this equation is look like a X0 equation, is a standard X0 equation. So directly we can modify this equation as A X0 B. Okay, A X0 B as A bar B bar plus AB. So we are having with this three equation, and we have to just draw the combinational circuit for this. So here first of all we have to just draw the input line for this A. Next the input line for this B also. Then here the inverter for this A, that is A complement. Okay, that inverter for this A. Next here the inverter for this B, that is B complement. So here the first equation says that A B bar. So A B bar is, how we can draw the A B bar, like first A and B bar. Okay, A B bar. So this is going to be connected to one of the AND gate, A B bar. Second is here as, okay. So in this way we can draw the combination circuit for 1 bit comparator. So in this class we have discussed about the block. This is the generalized block diagram of n bit comparator, where the 2 input 3 output, the functional table of this 1 bit comparator. Based on this 1 bit comparator we have drawn the functions on this, and next the combinational circuit for 1 bit comparator. In next video we will discuss the 2 bit comparator. Thank you.